So, assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you, everyone? Today we start the unit number 3, friendship and duty. So, in activity 1, William Sidney Potter, better known by the name of O. Henry, who was an American writer. O. Henry's short stories are known for their wit, wordplay, warm characterization and clear twist ending. यानी कि उनके स्टोरी में वर्ड प्ले होता है, कैरेक्टराइजेशन होता है और सम ट्विस्ट होता है एट द एंडिंग ऑफ हिज स्टोरीज. कि ही वॉज बॉर्न ऑन 11 September 1862 in North Carolina and died on 5th June 1910. From December 1903 to January 1906, O. Henry wrote a story a week for the New York magazine and published several short stories in the other magazines. So some of his famous stories are The Last Leaf, The Gift of the Maggie, The Furnished Room, Cabbage and Kings, and the story after 20 years has a typical O. Henry twist. However, the character portrayed will make us reflect on our values. Here also after the 20 years, this is also his one stories who published today and we learn today. So you get the more further information about the O. Henry stories, so you visit this website. Here you write down okay, who is your best friend. आपको यहाँ लिखना है कि तुम्हारा बेस्ट फैन कौन है. सेकंड, why do you like him or her? Why, when you write down your best friend, why do you like him? क्यों आपको ये आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड है? What is things, which type of things you like your best friend? So you write down here. What do you mean by friendship? What is the mean of the friendship? Next example, कि friendship is a being the honest to each others. Second, friendship is helping a friend particularly in times of crisis. यानी कि मुसीबत में जो काम होता है या मदद करता है उसको भी हम फ्रेंडशिप कह सकते हैं. ओके, अब एक्टिविटी 2, और द मेन स्टोरी ऑफ द ओ हेनरीज कि आफ्टर द 20 years, 2 साल के बाद, the policeman on the beat moved up the avenue impressively. The impressiveness was habitual and not for the show. For spectacle were few. The times was barely 10 o'clock at night, but chilly case of wine with the taste of rain in them and high night developed deep people in the street. So here in a first 1.1 talk about the one place. There is the difference of people in the streets. They are sad taste of the rain. यानी कि थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश गिर रही है, उसकी मजा ले रहे हैं. And place of talk about the one place at 10 o'clock. Trying the doors as he went, thrilling his club with many intricate and artful movement, now and then to cast his watchful eye around the Pacific thoroughfare. The officer, with his stalwart form and sly swagger, made a fine picture of guardian of the peace. The vicinity was one of kept early hours. Now and then you might see the light of cigar store on all-night lunch counter. I mean here in a second stage also talk about that there is the one shop who different people visit there. They are born to cigar जलाते हैं and they are drinkable यानी कि कुछ पीते हैं, cigar पीते हैं. And but the majority of the doors belong to the business place that had long since been closed. So in the middle of the night there is near us there lots of business places. बहुत सारे business class है वहाँ, यानी कि shop है जो already closed है. Because of is a time limited. Expect example 11 to 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. They are limited time, so they are mid of the night means 10 o'clock. Different another business place या business shop already closed. वो बंद है. When about the midway, of the certain block, the policeman suddenly slow his walk in the doorway, a darkened hardware store. A man lit with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke up. यानी कि पुलिसमैन आता है उनके पास. द पुलिसमैन कम नियर, हुआ है सिगार, जो सिगार जलाता है. सडनली द पुलिसमैन टू गो देयर एंड दिस मैन आज वैक अप. अभी स्टोरी की शुरुआत नहीं. क्यों, वाई द ऑथर गिवन द आफ्टर 20 years. क्यों ऑथर ने टाइटल लिख दिया है आफ्टर 20 years. व्हेन आवर दिस एक्टिविटी फिनिश, आफ्टर यू आर अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल, मीन्स यूजुअली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई व्हाई द ऑथर गिवन द टाइटल ऑफ द स्टोरी आफ्टर 20 years. हियर इन first point 1, first point 2 and 2.1, the author describe about the place, describe about the time and what happened at 10 o'clock. The author describe here in 1.1, 1.2 and 2.1. Or 2.2, what happened? When the policeman go with the man who was cigarette, जो सिगारेट पी रहा है उनके पास पुलिसमैन जाता है. Say, it's all right officer, he said. उसने कहा, it's all right, nothing happened, I am just waiting for a friend. Said the one man who make a cigar. He said the policeman, कि I am standing here because of I am waiting my friends. It's an appointed made 20 years ago. 20 साल पहले, before the 20 years, I appointed. We decided कि after 20 years we are meet to each other. 20 साल के बाद हम यहाँ मिलेंगे. So I am waiting my friend. Sounded a little funny to you, doesn't it? Well, I will explain if you do. You had liked to make certain. It's all the street about that long ago there used to be a restaurant where this store stand. यानी कि before the 20 years, here the big store. That's where I am appointed my friend. We are decided कि after 20 years we are meet here. But I can't found this place where before the 20 years I find. 20 साल पहले जो हमने यहाँ डिसाइड किया था, जो जगह थी, वो आज जगह मुझे नहीं मिल रही है. Big Joy Berry's restaurant until 5 years ago, the said the policeman, it was torn down. यानी कि 5 साल पहले यहाँ जो आपने जो जगह बताया वो पूरी तरह से खलास कर दिया था. The policeman said the man who are waiting his friend. 2.3. The man is in the doorway, struck a match and it's lit his cigar जलाते हैं. The lights show a pale, square jeweled face with the keen eyes and a little white scare near his right eyebrow. His scareful was a large diamond only. So यानी कि जब ये सिगार जलाता है तो पुलिसमैन उनका पूरा फेस देखता है. 20 years ago tonight, said the man. The man said कि 20 years ago tonight, I dined here a big Joy Brady's with Jamie Wells. Start the character name. The man says कि we are before the 20 years, the restaurant in Joy Brady restaurant, I meet my friend Jimmy Wells. मैं अपने फ्रेंड जिमी वेल्स को यहाँ बैठ के हम चाय नाश्ता करते थे. I was well, my best chum and the finest chap in the world, and he and I were raised here in New York, just like the two brothers. यानी कि दो भाई की तरह हम यहाँ खड़े हुए, साथ में खेले और बड़े हुए. The next morning, I was 18 and Jimmy was the 20. The next morning, I was to start for the West to make my fortune. Means after the next morning, we decided कि we make the start our futures. अब हमें जीवन के लिए कुछ करना पड़ना है. We start to the again, हमें अब आगे बढ़ना है. So I was to start for the West to make my future. यानी कि वेस्ट की ओर में चलने लगा अपना फ्यूचर बनाने के लिए. You could not have dragged Jimmy out of the New York. He thought it was the only place on the earth. But Jimmy said, no, this is the only one place and I started my fortune here. But I am turned to the West. Means we depart to each other. यानी कि हमें यहाँ से अलग हो गए. Well, फिर क्या हुआ आगे, what happened? well, we agreed that night that we would meet here again exactly 20 years from the date and time, no matter what our condition might be or for the distance we might have to come. We figured that in 20 years each of us now to have our destiny work out and our fortune meet whatever they were going to be. Means when we decided to make the future, when we depart to the next opposite side, यानी कि मैं west में गया and Jimmy also decided कि I am continue to make the fortune here because the only one place who good for me. But before the depart, we decided to each other कि after 20 years we are meet to each other as the exact time and exact डेट. हमें डिसाइड कर लिया था कि आफ्टर 20 साल के बाद हम यहाँ ही मिलेंगे और यही समय पे हम मिलेंगे. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम स्टे हियर एंड आई वेटिंग माय द फ्रेंड हु आई अपॉइंटेड बिफोर द 20 years. द मैन सेड टू द policeman. Who is the policeman? You also at the end of the lesson you understand. Means it's a secret. एक secret है. It sounds pretty interesting, said the policeman. Oh, it's a very interesting story. Rather a long time between meets, though it seemed to me. Haven't you heard from your friends in your lab? क्या तुझे पुलिसमैन ने कहा क्या आपको मालूम कि वो फ्रेंड यहाँ ही है या छोड़ के चला गया या दुनिया छोड़ के चला गया? Can you know? You know very well कि your friends stay here. Well, yes, for a time we correspond, said the other. But after a years or two, we lost the track each other. You see, the waste is pretty big proposition. And I kept the hustling around over it pretty lively. But I know Jimmy will meet me here if he is alive. कहते हैं कि yes, I know I am confidence on my friendship. मेरे friendship पे मुझे confidence है. And I hope कि he meet me if he are alive. अगर वो जिंदा होगा तो वो जरूर मुझे यहाँ मिलने आएगा. For he always was the trust. Means I trust on my friendship. Stoutest old chap in the world. He will never forget. I came 1,000 miles to stand in this door tonight, and it's what my whole partner turns up. मैं यहाँ खड़ा रहूँगा जब तक मेरा फ्रेंड मुझे मिलने के लिए नहीं आ सकता. The waiting man pulled out a handsome watch. The leads of it set with small diamond. 3 minutes to 10. He announced it was exactly 10 o'clock when we part here at the restaurant. यानी कि यही 10 बता यानी कि 10 o'clock we are depart from this restaurant. Deep pretty well out of the waist, didn't you? Asked the policeman. You bet. I hope Jimmy has done up as well. And he was a kind of prolud through the यानी कि वो बहुत ही kindness person था. And I hope कि they are come here and meet me. What he said कि Jimmy was a plodder through good fellows as he was, and I have had to complete with some of the surface which going to get my pile, and our man gets in a groove in New York, and he take the waste to put razors on him. The policeman trailed his club and took a step or two. I will be on my way. Hope your friend come around all right, and going to call time to on his shop. यानी कि the policeman said, okay, I hope कि your friends to meet. हम आशा रखते कि तुम्हें तो अपना friend तुम्हें मिलने आ जाए. I should say not say the other. I will give him half an hour at least. If Jimmy is alive on the earth, he will be here by that time. So long. Officers ने कहा कि नहीं अब वो जिंदा होता तो कब से यहाँ आ जाता. So I'll wait here at least 30 minutes. Good night, sir, said the policeman, passing along his beat, trying to do as यानी कि वो policeman ने good night sir करके वहाँ से चला गया. There was a now a fine cold drizzling falling. यानी कि बारिश की अब धीरे धीरे यानी कि rain lightly शुरू हो गया. drizzle यानी कि बर्फ की थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश गिरना शुरू हो गया. And the wine had risen from an uncertain puff into steady blow. यानी कि अब धीरे धीरे पेडेस्ट्रियन यानी कि पर्सन वॉकिंग द स्ट्रीट यानी कि अब धीरे धीरे थोड़ा पवन यानी कि तूफान शुरू हो गया. द फ्यू पेडेस्ट्रियन मीन्स हु आर वॉकिंग इन द स्ट्रीट यानी कि ऐसे पर्सन जो स्ट्रीट यानी कि वो जगह पे चलते हैं. मीन्स अ पेडेस्ट्रियन इन द नेबरहुड हरीड डिस्मली एंड साइलेंटली अलॉन्ग विद द कोट कॉलर टर्न हाई एंड पॉकेट. एंड यानी कि बहुत लोगों ने जो चलते थे उसने पूरी तरह से पूरा सा कोट पहन लिया था. हु अवेयर यानी कि टेक ऑफ द यानी कि अपनी बॉडी को बचाने की यानी कि छोटी छोटी बारिश शुरू हो चुकी थी यानी कि अपनी बॉडी के प्रोटेक्ट के लिए उन लोगों ने बड़ा सा कोट और हैट पहन लिया. And in the door of the hardware store, the man who had come 1,000 miles to fill appointment with the friend of his youth smoked his cigar and with फिर से अपना उसने सिगार चलाई और अपने फ्रेंड की राह देखना शुरू कर दिया. About the 20 minutes, he waited and then all the tall man, a long overcoat with the collar turned up to his ear, hurried across from the opposite side of the street and he came directly to the waiting. यानी कुछ समय के बाद एक फ्रेंड आया जो उसने पूरी तरह से पूरा सा बड़ा सा कोट पहना था एंड डायरेक्टली ही गोइंग विद द मैन हु आर वेटिंग हिज फ्रेंड. ओह इज दैट यू बॉब, ही आस्क्ड आउट. ओह बॉब हो आप. इज दैट यू जिमी वेल्स, काइड द मैन द डोर. यानी कि जो खड़ा था उसका नाम क्या है, बॉब. और वो जो आया था उसने कहा कि ओह यू आर जिमी वेल्स, टू जिमी वेल्स है. द मैन जो अपने दोस्तार की राह देख रहा था वह अपने क्या कहा है कि ओह यू आर जिमी वेल्स. Bless my heart, explained the new arrival, grasping both the other hand with his, यानी कि एक दूसरे के साथ मिलते हैं. It's Bob, sure as fate I was certain. I find you are still the existent. Well, 20 years is a long time. All the restaurants gone, यानी कि 20 साल बहुत लंबा समय है और ये रेस्टोरेंट आपको यहाँ नहीं मिलेगी. I wish it had lasted, so we could have had another dinner there. How has the West treated you all? Man, यानी कि अब हम दूसरी जगह पे डिनर करेंगे. यानी कि जो हमने पहले डिनर कहा था वो रेस्टोरेंट अब यहाँ नहीं है. It has given me everything I asked. If you have changed lots, Jimmy, I never thought you were so tall by 2 or 3 inches. Oh, grew a bit after I was 20. यानी कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि तू इतना बड़ा हो जाए. यानी कि you are not Jimmy Wells. But he said, oh, it's a very 20 years, बहुत साल हो गया तो मैं बढ़ भी सकता हूँ. डूइंग वेल इन न्यूयॉर्क जिमी ने क्या कहा कि वो यहाँ सॉरी वो बॉब ने क्या कहा कि आई थिंक यू गेट द गुड थिंग्स हियर इन अमेरिका सो यू स्टार्ट द हायर. यानी कि अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ बहुत अच्छी सी वो जो भी खाने की चीज़ मिलती है तो आप बहुत बड़ा हो गया. Moderately, I have position to one of the city department. Come on, Bob, will we go around to the place? I know of have a good long talk about the whole time. यानी कि चलो अब हम चलते चलते अपने पुराने जो बात ही पुराना जो समय था उनके बारे में अब हम बात करेंगे. Now we start the walking and talk about the what happened in a whole time. The two men started up the street. आर्म एंड आर्म एक दूसरे के हाथ रखा वहाँ वो चलने लगे. One his egoism enraged by success was beginning to outline the history of his career. The other submerged in his overcoat listened with the interest. यानी कि जो ओवरकोट पहन के जो आया था वो सब वो बॉब की बात सुन रहा था. At the corner stood a drugstore, brilliant with electric light. When they came into the glare, each of them turned simultaneously to gaze upon the other face. The man from the west stopped suddenly and released his यानी कि जब वो स्ट्रीट लाइट थी उसके नीचे खड़ा हुआ तो बॉब ने वो कोट वाला आदमी को देखा. मीन ही वॉज द मैन इन अ हु आर कोट एंड सडनली द बॉब टेक हिज हैंड. उसने अपना हाथ ले लिया. ओह यू आर नॉट जिमी वेल्स. उसने कहा कि आप जिमी वेल्स नहीं हो. वाई कि आफ्टर 20 years is a long time but no long enough to change the man nose from a Roman to a Bob. कहता है कि 20 साल बहुत लंबा है मगर 20 साल में कुछ भी चेंज हो सकता है. हैंड लॉन्ग हो सकता है मगर उसका जो नोज है वो कभी चेंज नहीं हो सकता. आई होप कि यू आर नॉट जिमी वेल्स. यानी कि तुम्हारा नाक जिमी वेल्स की तरह नहीं है जो मैंने उसका नोज देखा था. आई होप कि यू आर नॉट जिमी वेल्स. It sometimes change a good man into a bad one, said the tall man. उसने कहा कि बहुत सारा चेंज हो सकता है but you have been under arrest for 10 minutes. उसने क्या कहा कि आप 10 मिनट से अंडर अरेस्ट हो यानी कि मैंने आपको अरेस्ट कर लिया है. and I hope कि I am not Jimmy Wells. Silky Bob, going quietly are you? That's sensible. Now before we go to the station, here or not, I was asked to hand you. You may read here window. It from Petroleum. कहता है कि मैं यहाँ पेट्रोलिंग के लिए आया हूँ और तुम्हें मैं एक पुलिस स्टेशन के पास ही लेगा बिकॉज ऑफ आई अरेस्ट यू. The man from the west unfolded the little piece of paper handed over him. His hand was steady when he began to read but trembled a little by the time he had finished. The knot was the rather sore. Bob, I was at appointed place on a time. When you struck the maze, the light your cigar. वो पुलिसमैन कौन था? उनका फ्रेंड बॉब था, जो पहले उससे मिला था ना, वो जब सिगार चला था और जब बात कर रहे थे शुरुआत में, यानी कि वो उनका फ्रेंड ही बॉब था। मगर उसी समय वो अपने ड्यूटी पर था, क्योंकि अगर उसे अरेस्ट कर ले तो क्या कहता है कि आपने मुझे फ्रेंड होकर 20 साल के बाद मिला तो भी तू मुझे अरेस्ट कर रहा है। मीन्स दे स्टार्ट दे कांट ब्रेक ऑन हिज फ्रेंडशिप, वो अपने फ्रेंडशिप में ब्रेक करना नहीं चाहता। सो नाउ ही हाइड हिमसेल्फ, उसने अपने आप को बचाया। ही कांट से दैट कि आई एम योर फ्रेंड्स जिमी वेल्स। तो नाउ ही सेड कि बॉब आई वॉज द अपॉइंटेड प्लेस ऑन अ टाइम, मैंने उसी समय तुझे मिला था व्हेन यू आर स्ट्रक द मैच ऑफ द cigar and I saw it was the face of the man want in a Chicago someone I could not do it myself, so I went around to go the plain clothes meant to do the जॉब। मैं उसी समय ड्यूटी पे था और मैं ड्यूटी पे अपनी जो ड्यूटी निभा रहा था, इसलिए मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन आपको नहीं दिया। Jimmy Well said कि I am your friend. So after 20 years they are meet to each other. Okay, and I hope you understand very well. So in a notebook only you write down the glossary. Okay, so ये आपको ड्रॉ करना नहीं है। Okay, so next topic, so next activity we learn in a next video, and I hope you understand very well. Okay, Allah Hafiz.